Hello world. Welcome to week 10 of Dev Challenges. My name is Ronald again, and congrats everyone for making it to double digits. Last week's problem, which is sometimes called the Dutch national flag problem, our critique video should be going up shortly if it's not up already. Make sure to check it out. It's a little bit on the longer side, but that's because there's a lot of different approaches everyone came up with. So we took the extra time to really go through each one of them and just kind of compare and contrast what everyone did. At the end though, I did mention one easy solution that nobody came up with. So make sure you check it out and watch it till the end. Alright, on to this week's problem. So this week's problem is that you're a squirrel and you're hoping to eat nuts. Now, there's N pounds of nuts in bird feeders in the neighborhood, and you have H hours to eat all the nuts before someone spots you and chases you away. So your job is to figure out the minimum eating rate that you need to be going each hour so that you can go and finish all the nuts before your time is up. Now there's one catch. You can only eat one bird feeder per hour. So what that means is if your rate is too high and you finish the bird feeder before the hour is up, you can't move to the next bird feeder until the next hour. Okay, so let's go into some examples. The first example here is we have input array 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have 6 hours to finish it. So bird feeder 1 and 2, you have no problems finishing it with a rate of 4. Bird feeders with pounds 5 and 6, you will need 2 hours each, respectively, to finish them. So when you add all that up, you get 6 hours. So your rate for the first example will be 4. All right, next one. We have 5 elements in the array and you have 5 hours. So the heaviest bird feeder will be the one that dictates your rate, because all the other ones you're able to finish within the hour. So the heaviest bird feeder, which is 30, will be your answer. All right, last one. We have the same array, but we have 6 hours, one additional hour. So just like the last problem, you are also dictated by the second last one, which is the answer. And that's because for all the lighter ones, 4, 11, and 20, you can easily finish that in 1 hour. 23, you can also finish in 1 hour. And 30, you can finish in 2. And because we have that one additional hour, that works out to be the minimum amount of nuts you need to be eating per hour. Okay, so that's the problem this week. I hope you find it not too challenging to understand. But as usual, if you have any questions, let us know in Slack. Okay, with that being said, have fun and looking forward to seeing what you guys do. Bye-bye.